Well, today's little video is going to be of me looking at the model number on the hydro gear transmission on my Craftsman GT mower. Let me turn the flashlight on. Alright. There is the tag. Yeah, turn the phone the right way, let's say, you know. And I looked up the model number. And I found out the old capacity after draining out the oil. It's gonna be at least 67 ounces left in this transmission. I still gotta add 48 ounces, but luckily I also found the oil filter for this particular mower. There's two different styles of hydro gear oil filters. I found them on eBay, but I gotta change the oil in this bad boy. Now, let's go here to the XT. See what she's sporting. And she is sporting a Peerless Tecumseh transmission. Yeah, it's geared, but thing is, was not this transmission. And the transmission on the YS 4500, which is a, you know, hydro gear. I don't know whether or not this one is serviceable or not. The only thing is the one on the GT down there, well, she's serviceable. Hydro gear, you make great hydrostatic transmissions, but why didn't you make the transmission for this one serviceable? The only way that I know this could be serviced is to jack the back end up, pull the transmission, which is a pain in the butt trying to do it, and figure out where to put a fill hole and a drain hole. Now, if somebody knows exactly how to do it, please let me know in the comments. And whether or not the transmission in that Poland XT can be serviced, which means same thing, pull the transmission, get it out, look at it, and determine how to change the grease in it. But like I said, I got to change the oil in my big green machine because there's no telling when the last time it's been done unless people say, oh, you ain't got to worry about it. It's bulletproof. Sorry, but that's still oil in it. And there's two types of oil I can use in it. 20W50 mineral or 15W50 synthetic. Like I said, I got to get oil changed in that transmission, but these two here, I don't know. But like I said, y'all have a great one, and I'll see y'all on the flip side, and have a nice day. Thank you.